Have you ever faced that your speaker is not working on an iPhone? Nowadays, iPhone 11 and 12 Pro Max series have such issues must. We have an iPhone with your speaker not working issues. This process helps any single iPhone that you have. I am using iPhone XS Max for reference only. This process works on every single iPhone that you have. From iPhone 7 to up, all model your speaker also works on music and ringtone too. You just hear sound, big and clear. When I just press and block the word down, you can hear sound right now from your speaker only. Let's go to the question of why the speaker is not working. If you played music loud, then your speaker might be fused. I previously mentioned that your speaker is also working for music and ringtone to give 3D effect on sound while playing music or ringtone on iPhone. If you face that issues, your speaker is not working, then first try this. Go to dial pad. Dial any number. Press volume up key to make sure that volume level is high on your speaker. After doing all, if the problem was still the same, then there must be hardware issues. Power of iPhone. Remove battery first always. Don't touch the dot projector while the battery connected state, otherwise cause Face ID failure. Let's check the speaker flex first. All seems to be okay, not broken sign. This is an air speaker flex. If you change all flex, then you encounter the problem of Face ID failure. So you have to swap the flood eliminator and proximity sensor too. Now check the air speaker only. Here you can see multimeter shows the air speaker was faulty one. The new speaker shows a reading means the speaker is okay. Let's remove the old ear speaker from flex. Desoldered both pins carefully. Now I replace the ear speaker with new one. Soldered it and put back to the correct position. Hope this will help you. If you are able to fix your issues with the help of this video, don't forget to drop a comment below and write how you solve your issues too. Feel free to ask if you got any problems. We are an Apple repair expert and will be surely helpful. Finally, the problem was solved. Now you can clearly hear the sound from your speaker. Stay with us by subscribing. Like to say your love towards our videos. Press the bell for the latest videos notification. Love from our side, Thegsmsolution. Peace out till the next time.